Here's your Capitol update for the week of April 17th. I'm Shirley Descorbeth. On Friday, House Speaker Michael Madigan announced the creation of a budget analysis panel to review recent budget cuts made by Governor Rauner. Madigan says it's time for the governor to discuss what cutting non-essential spending means. He says it's the state's duty to protect children with autism, persons with developmental disabilities, and lower-income women that need breast cancer screenings. The budget review panel will be bipartisan and is holding their first meeting on Tuesday, April 21st at the Capitol. The formation of the Budget Review Panel follows the Legislative Black Caucus press conference in which members say they felt betrayed by the governor for making $26 million in social service budget cuts after a budget deal had been agreed to.
These cuts to Illinois' most vulnerable populations, which you've already heard about, is a devastating blow to the people of our great state. These cuts impact people's lives, affecting their quality of life. These cuts represent over 70 programs in Department of Human Services and Health and Family Services that have been dismantled.
Governor Rauner continues to push his turnaround agenda, talking to organizations around the states. On Wednesday, he was in Springfield addressing the members of the State Chamber of Commerce.
I want money in the social services as much as anybody, but we can't be compassionate to help our most vulnerable if we're not competitive. We got to be competitive to be compassionate, and that's what we're going to do, and that's the mission.
Senate President John Cullerton also addressed the chamber to discuss issues including right-to-work zones, workers' comp, and pensions.
The Supreme Court is going to rule on a pension bill relatively soon. My prediction is, and I voted for it, I sponsored it, I passed it, it's unconstitutional. So when the court rules it to be unconstitutional, that's going to result in perhaps downgrades for the Chicago public schools.
As we get near to 2016, campaign activity is picking up. U.S. Senator Mark Kirk says he is ready to run for re-election. And while he doesn't have a choice for the Republican presidential nomination, he did tell the Illinois Channel he thinks Senator Rand Paul is too much of an isolationist to be president.
I have agreed a lot with John McCain's worries about Rand, that to withdraw from the world and cut off all foreign aid might be a popular thing to say, that backing U.S. allies to handle problems without U.S. troops is by far the least expensive way to handle a situation.
Also this week, the capital city commemorated the life of the 16th President, Abraham Lincoln. Wednesday marked the 150th anniversary of his death. A memorial service was held at Union Square Park in Lincoln's honor. There was a 21-gun salute, and Governor Rauner was in attendance.
And so it was that he left his friends, family, and the good people of Illinois. He left all of them to save our nation and give it a new birth of freedom.
Finally, this week, after the workday was over on Tuesday, lawmakers found a way to have some fun and raise some money for charity. The House and Senate played basketball against each other to benefit the Boys and Girls Club of Central Illinois. The winning team was the Senate. And that's your Capitol update for Friday, April 17th, 2015. Enjoy your weekend. I'm Shirley Descorbeth.